Modasa is a 100% Peruvian company that was born in the city of Trujillo in northern Peru in 1977 with an important purpose: to develop reliable, innovative technology adapted to the needs of the national and international industry. Today, from our industrial plant in Lorraine, we remain committed to excellence and the vision of continuing to export technology to the world. Our experience and constant innovation have allowed us to expand to more than 25 countries. This has been possible thanks to our commitment to quality and continuous improvement, backed by important international certifications. Energy is the engine of development, which is why at Modasa, we are leaders in the manufacturing and commercialization of generator sets and comprehensive energy solutions for various industries. We have the capacity installed that allows us to manufacture more than 400 generator sets per month, with ranges from 10 to 3,600 kilowatts, and we are prepared to undertake large-scale projects with efficiency and precision. Our products meet the highest international standards. Additionally, we have developed a new portfolio of UL tanks, ideal for projects that require safety and quality in energy solutions. Our RETI, CSA, and UL certificates reaffirm us as exporters of equipment with high standards of quality and safety to Colombia, Canada, and the United States respectively. We offer a comprehensive solution that encompasses engineering, supplies, and installation. Thanks to our strategic partners, we can complete our offering with switchgear, lighting towers, electrical substations, and more. At Modasa, we believe in the power of engineering, in the importance of continuous innovation, and in the responsibility to continue contributing to the development of the industrial sector with quality products, cutting-edge technology, and customized solutions. Every project we undertake, every piece we make, and every bus that travels our routes carries with it the effort and commitment of a company that does not stop. Trust the experts. Trust Modasa.